The phrase sleek, stylish, and smart perfectly summarizes the revolutionary approach defining the newest evolution in tiny homes on wheels. This innovative movement completely redefines the minimalist lifestyle, elevating it from a simple choice to an experience marked by contemporary luxury and unparalleled efficiency. Far removed from the traditional, often rustic aesthetic of early small dwellings, this refined model commands attention with its strikingly modern design language. The structure's exterior is characterized by a deliberate composition of clean, rectilinear forms and a sophisticated palette of durable, low-maintenance materials, frequently combining the depth of black matte metal cladding, the organic warmth of natural wood accents, and dramatic, oversized black-framed picture windows. This powerful visual statement does more than just ensure a captivating presence, whether parked in a secluded locale or traversing the highway. It crucially serves to maximize the penetration of natural daylight, an essential architectural strategy for preventing claustrophobia and making the condensed living area feel significantly more open and expansive than its actual physical footprint would suggest. The genuine brilliance of this advanced compact residence is most evident in its exceptionally functional and intelligently designed interior space, with every solitary square inch is subjected to meticulous planning for optimal multi-purpose utility. An atmosphere of sophistication and refined organization is achieved through the use of premium finishes and a carefully curated, uncluttered color scheme, which typically relies on the visual contrast of crisp whites, cool grays, and strategic splashes of warm, textured timber. Seamlessly woven into the fabric of the home is cutting-edge smart home technology, providing effortless digital control over critical systems such as personalized lighting schemes, climate regulation, and robust security monitoring, thereby ensuring a level of comfort and convenience entirely comparable to that of a full-sized stationary dwelling. Fundamentally, the internal architecture places paramount importance on fluid circulation and ingenious hidden storage solutions innovations, like disappearing compartments, modular furniture that instantly transforms its function, and comprehensive integrated shelving, all working in concert to preserve the home's seamless visual flow while accommodating all necessities for comfortable, long-term habitation. Supported by a heavy-duty chassis, typically a triple-axle trailer foundation, this mobile dwelling guarantees both structural integrity and reliable transportation, affording its inhabitants the radical flexibility to embrace a nomadic existence without any need to downgrade their high-quality standard of living. Furthermore, the principle of being smart extends powerfully into the realm of environmental stewardship and sustainability. A large number of these contemporary constructions thoughtfully incorporate eco-conscious components, including state-of-the-art high-efficiency insulation, practical waterless composting sanitation systems, and the necessary pre-wiring and hardware for solar energy capture, making optional off-grid self-sufficiency and a significant reduction in long-term operational costs easily attainable goals. Ultimately, the sleek, stylish, and smart tiny house represents far more than just four walls and a roof. It signifies a deliberate and empowered commitment to a streamlined, adaptable, and deeply environmentally responsible way of life, soundly proving that the decision to downsize can lead directly to an upgrade in modern elegance and technological sophistication.